Hi everyone, my name is Chuck Watry and I'm with the product support team with Broan, and today I'm going to be making a short video on a ARN110LKVV. This is an exhaust fan with light, but this is a special light. This unit actually has a two-mode light is what we call it. The first mode is an actual light. The second mode is an antimicrobial light, which actually kills bacteria on the surface. You might hear the term we use is surface shield. So I'm going to make a short video. Just want to show you how the unit, when everything's wired up, how the switching works for both light modes. So let's get started. Alright, before we get started, I just want to show you what I have going on here. Basically, I have the NuTone room side ARN110LKVV fan light unit. And again, this is a two-function light basically. It's a regular light, and we have an antimicrobial LED light. And again, that light kills bacteria on surfaces. What we recommend as far as switching on this unit, there's a couple ways you can do it. We recommend a two-function switch. I have a switch just for filming purposes, kind of pushed in the box. It is wired. This bottom switch here is going to be for the lights, and this top switch is going to be for the exhaust fan. If you have two switches like this will work as well. It's just basically on off. If you had two of them, you'd have one for the light and one for the fan as well. Or we have another type of switch. It's a paddle switch, on off. You could use two of these, one for the light, one for a fan. You could put them in like a double gang box with the appropriate cover that would cover both switches. How this switching mechanism works for the light: if I walked into that bathroom and I wanted this light on, if there was nothing on, basically I would go and turn the light on. If I left that bathroom and wanted the antimicrobial LED light on, all you would do is turn it off and turn it back on, and now that light is activated. If I came into the bathroom again and wanted the light on, I turn it off and turn it on. It's as simple as that. If I were to leave this light on here, the regular light, and it would be on for approximately 60 minutes, that light would automatically turn into that surface shield light, that antimicrobial light. The second switch here would turn on the exhaust fan. So it's just basically on and off. And again, off, on, surface shield light, off, on is the regular light. So it's basically one switch does both lights. It's just a matter of toggling the switches on and off. So I hope this short video helps. Thanks for watching.